mother company, Interconnectica Ltd. So, ang Empower Life ay isa sa mga project niya na manage ng ating CEO na si Sir Alex Thomas. Ano? Another project niya na naman ito para sa ating mga online marketers. Now, ito nakuha ko yung kanyang biography, no? Si Sir Alex as an Chief Executive Officer and founder, no? Has a history of building successful business. Isa po siyang MBA certified graduate from the University of Athens and receive a scholarship for master degree in London. In London, yan. So since 2015 ay mayroon siyang mga properties na na-acquire at naging CEO siya sa kanyang mga accommodation business. So, mga hotel yan, no? And meron siyang education technology supply company, Our Life. Okay, so ang mission natin dito is to contribute to the global community through the daily contributions. We do this by helping individuals achieve their goals and lead better lives through a combination of entrepreneurship opportunity with a life-changing education product and services. And ang ating vision is to be a positive influencer in the development of sustainable and professional community around the world. Ayan. Now, yung ating Empower Life Club, no, na platform ay nag-start noong August 21st sa larangan ng field marketing, paid advertising, coaching seminar, digital store, and human resources. So it's suitable for onliners na katulad natin na naghahanap ng magandang program, no, na pwede nating i-promote at kahit mga small business owner pwede nilang i-adapt yung system ng Empower Life, and even the mga entrepreneurs need lang nila maintindihan paano nag-work itong Empower Life. So Empower Life Club is an ongoing educational site where we can all learn and earn program with multiple stream of income online. Now, the areas of interest includes cryptocurrency education and strategies, digital marketing and niche SEO mastery, artificial intelligence knowledge. Now, ito yung in ngayon, trending talaga ngayon ang artificial intelligence sa katulad nating mga onliner. Dapat gumagamit na tayo ng artificial intelligence for automation. So, yan yung isa sa mga itinuturo natin dito once you become an affiliate. Yan. So then, the mga digital products via eShop. Now, then we have our travel portal search engine with excellent discount and a vacation offer. So may mga vacation tour package tayo later on. Punta tayo ng Dubai o kaya ng ng Dubai, ng Hong Kong, no, ng Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, okay, even Boracay, local travel, Siargao, ayan, Bohol. So ikumpleto na niya yung mga kailangan mong checklist at mga tips para sa vacation tour package natin once nagkaroon na tayo. So, your vacation start at here in Empower Life. Okay? More exciting product and services sa ating mga loob ng ating Empower Life platform. Kaya familiarize po natin yung ating back office. So, sa ating back office, makikita nyo very user-friendly yung ating dashboard. So makikita mo dyan yung account mo, yung profile, paano mag-upgrade, may wallet, may team, at yung mga tools and downloads natin. Na pag pumunta ka sa my team, dyan mo makikita yung mga free referrals mo, yung mga pre-registered mo, na binigyan mo ng mga links. Then yung mga paid referrals, yung mga nag-upgrade na. Ayan, mga direct affiliate na nag-paid na. Then ang my paid team, yung your own structure, and yung ating global matrix, yung international global matrix na 2x12. Then, of course, yan yung may wallet natin. So, explore nyo dyan paano mag-deposit, paano mag-transfer, transfer history, withdrawal setting, earning history, yan, mga withdrawal history. So, yan yung laman ng ating back office na mga menu. Now, the compensation plan, yung ating Empower Life, sa ngayon, ito yung nakita natin na may pinakamataas na compensation plan, no, na nagawa sa isang affiliate MLM company dahil nga over 85% ng total sales ng company ay dinidistribute pabalik sa mga affiliates. So ito yung pinakamaganda sa compensation plan natin. And the great news is we are getting paid instantly. Unlike other company, kailangan mo pa maghintay ng cut-off, ng weekly, ng monthly. Dito, hindi na. Kasi from the moment na naging paid affiliate sila, makakatanggap tayo ng instant commission. At isa pang magandang feature ng ating program, dahil kung ikaw ay pre-registered member, pwede ka pa rin kumita. Yun yung isang maganda dito na kahit hindi ka pa paid at free member ka pa lang, pwede kang kumita. So the commission are distributed instantly and you can withdraw immediately your commission. So no pending commission, no delay, no restriction. And ito pa, you could potentially earn up to 4,095 kada buwan, no? Kahit hindi ka pa nakapag-sponsor, once na ikaw ay nalagyan ng spillover na tinatawag from the company or from the upline, pwede ka rin kumita. Ayan, pero yan bonus lang po yan. So that is possible kasi nga we are building yung tinatawag na global 2x12 matrix na kung saan yung company at yung mga affiliates na nasa taas sa atin, sila yung naglalagay ng mga affiliates under sa ating team or tinatawag na spillover. Dahil nga, dalawa lang naman ang position na affiliate sa level 1. So, kung may extra na mga affiliate, yung mga apply natin, so the possibility sa atin yun mapunta. No, mayroong tinatawag na process from top to bottom, left to right. So, your wallet will accumulate commission on a daily basis. So, allowing you to withdraw earnings kung kailan mo gusto. Yan. So, ito yung ating 8 kitaan sa Empower Life, the 8 ways to earn. Una dyan, yung fast start commission, no, fast and instant income, global matrix commission, instant and recurring, no, every month. Every month yan kasi meron tayong monthly subscription. Pangatlo, yung infinity commission. So, ito yung bibigyan natin na mas detalyadong explanation, yung infinity white and infinity deep, instant and recurring income. So magkasabayan sila ng global matrix. So yung tatlong yan ang pinaka-importante dito sa ating compensation plan. So bibigyan natin siya ng magandang detalyadong explanation sa mga susunod na slide. So once you become a paid affiliate, no, you are given your own business center dito sa ating tinatawag na 2x12 global matrix. So yung company and the affiliates above you will be placing new affiliates in your team, no, from left to right. So kung saan yung next available spot under your structure, doon yan malalagay. Okay? So the sooner na maging paid affiliate ka, the higher your position na mapunta ka sa matrix and mag-earn ng instant and monthly income. At ang ating kagandahan, ang feature ng ating matrix, mayroong tinatawag na compression, no? Kasi may mga time dyan na yung isang affiliate hindi nakakapag-subscribe. Then, kagandahan, pag hindi na-subscribe siya, hindi man siya mawawala doon sa kanyang position, pero wala nga lang siyang income on that particular month. The next month nga mag-subscribe, nandyan pa rin yung position, hindi unlike other ibang platform na mawawala ka na doon sa sa placement mo, doon ka na sa ilalim magsisimula. So yun yung isang na-address natin dito. Andyan pa rin yung position mo. Para ma-illustrate pa natin yung global matrix commission na projection natin, sa level 1, dalawa lang po ang affiliate na nakaposition dyan. Okay, so you have a total of 2. Subscribe sila ng $10 each, kaya mayroong total $20. Now, may 5% ka per level. So that means meron kang $1 na commission. Now sa second level, 4 lang na affiliates yung allowed dyan. So yung sobra, bababa uli yan. So yung meron kang 2 sa first level, meron kang 4 sa second level, a total of 6 affiliate. So times $10, $60 yan, total subscription. So may 5% ka pa rin dyan, no? $3 na ngayon yung iyong commission. So ito nga sa ating global matrix, you can even earn kahit wala po ikaw referrals pa kung hindi ka pa nakapag-start. Granting na you will have spillover in your global matrix from the company or the uplines above you, no? Kasi sila kung malakas sila, mas marami silang na-invite, walang ibang kung paglalagyan kundi doon sa next available spot ng kanyang matrix. Kung ikaw yung next na paglagyan, di magkakaroon ka ng spillover. Now sa third level naman, 8 lang, 8 lang ang allowed dyan na affiliates. So plus yung 6 sa level 2, so you have a total of 14 times $10, 140 yan. Times 5%, mayroon kang $7. So bawat level 5%, 5% po yan. Sa level 4, 16 affiliates lang ang allowed dyan. I-add mo yung 14, kaya you have a total of 30 affiliates under your global matrix. So times $10, that's 300. 5% niyan is $15 total. Okay, sa fifth level, 32 naman ang allowed dyan na affiliates. So i-add mo yung sa level 4 na 30, so you have a total of 62 affiliates. No? Times $10, 620 times 5%. So total $31 na yung accumulated mo na commission. Ayan. So hanggang 6th level, 7th level, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So power of 2 lang po ito, no? Yung sa 7 naging 128, sa level 8 naging 256, level 9 512, 512 sa level 10 naging 1024, level 11 2048, level 12 4098. So pag tinotal mo yung buong affiliates na meron dito sa Global Matrix, that is 8,190. So nag-subscribe lang sila ng $10 each, that is 81,900. So 5% yan, yan yung tinasabi ko kanina na up to 4,095 na pwede nating kitain maximum. Okay? So sabi ko nga, nag-subscribe lang yan sila every month ng $10. So merong 81,900. So 5% yan per level, yun nga ang 4,095. Now, kailan mangyayari yan? Hindi natin masabi. Depende yan sa structure na meron ka from level 1 to level 12. So sabihin na lang natin, for the next second month or third month, kumita ka lang dyan ng 10%. 10% of 4,095, that is 409, no? That's already 22,900 pesos. For your monthly subscription of $10 na nilagay natin, may bumalik sa iyo na 22,900. Not bad na, di ba? So, pwede na. So, next month, hindi ka na mag-worry kasi nga, mayroon tayong tinatawag na ano dyan, sa setting ng withdrawal natin, mayroong tinatawag na auto subscription. So, i-enable mo lang yan, hindi ka mo na kailangan uli maglabas ng another $10. So, ibabawas na lang yan dyan sa iyong account balance ang $10 para palagi kang kumikita sa ating global matrix. So, paano ang gagawin natin dito, Mike, para makuha natin itong 4,095, ma-reach natin yan? Kailangan lang, no, pag-attend tayo ng ating daily Zoom. Every 8 p.m. po yan. Just share the link sa mga kakilala natin. Then, i-invite lang natin sila dito. Huwag mo nang kailangan mag-explain pa ng madami, baka malito lang. So, let us explain sa mga guest mo kung paano nag-work ito in Powerline. So, while attending, i-learn po natin yung system. So, you watch, learn, and you apply by sharing your referral link. Now, so para hindi mo ma-miss yung $10, may automatic subscription tayo at para ma-reach natin yung 229,000. So, i-enable mo lang po yung ating auto subscription. So, kailan ito mangyayari? Depende po, no? Bigyan natin ng time. Ikaw at ang Empower Life ng 3 to 6 months up to 1 year, no? Tuloy-tuloy nating gagawin ito, consistent nating gagawin. Ang kagandahan sa system natin, mayroon ng tinatawag na added feature, yung extended subscription, no? Kung halimbawa para hindi mo ma-miss na hindi ka makapag-subscribe next month, so pwede mo siyang i-extend ng 3 months, ng 6 months, or even 10 months, no? Para hindi ka na nagbuburi na wala kang komisyon or wala kang earnings sa susunod na buwan. Gusto mo, pwede mo pa hanggang 12 months para all year round nakasubscribe ka para every month pasok na lang ng pasok yung earnings hanggang ma-reach natin itong 229,000. Ayan. So, kung mag-decide ka na maging active participant, no, then you can be earning more doon sa ating 8 ways to earn. So, dalawa pa, tatlo pa lang itong binabanggit natin. So, ito nga, mayroon akong isang direct na nag-subscribe, nag-extend na agad ng subscription niya. So, instantly pumasok uli yung aking infinity bonus na $1 at saka yung 50 cents na na global matrix. So instant din pala siyang pumapasok yung mga nag-i-extend ng kanilang subscription. Ang fast start natin, every direct affiliate, you earn $10 unlimited. So kung meron kang 10 affiliate, meron kang $100. Kung nakapag 100 affiliates ka, total $1,000. Kung nagawa mo 500 affiliates hanggang December o kaya within 6 months, di ba? May $5,000 ka. So, nasa sayo na lang kung paano natin ita-target yan. Now, sa Global Matrix Commissions, dito nga sabi ko sa subscription box na yan, ang 2x12 matrix is limited only sa 8,190 affiliates. So, bawat isa may 50 cents dollar tayo, kaya ng total po yan ng 4,095. Monthly po yan kasi monthly po silang nagsasubscribe. So, that's 229,000. Now, sa atin namang Infinity, sabi ko nga mag-start yan sa ating third direct. Dito pwede kang kumita ng $100 monthly, $200 monthly, $500. So pag habang lumalaki tumatagal yung structure sa Infinity Leg, lumalaki ang earnings mo niyan. So you can be earning $1,000, $2,000 or even $5,000 monthly. Yan. So kailangan nating mag-goal. Magkano ba yung earning na gusto natin per month, no? What's your goal earning monthly? $100 lang ba per week o per month? O $500 lang ba? Or gusto mo $1,000 or $5,000? So kung $5,000, pag yan ang target mo, for sure, malaki ang pangangailangan mo talaga niyan. Okay? So kailangan mo lang mag-take action, at mag-focus sa ating goal, no? At everyday, maghanap lang tayo ng mga affiliate, kaya continue sharing ng ating mga link, share the program ng Empower Life. No? Pag naka-invite ka ng 5 o 10, 20, 30, 50 or 100 or even 500, yan, pag na-reach natin yan, for sure yung earnings instant po yun mapapasok. Empower Life, yung ating mga kitaan, instant commission, matrix commission, infinity commission, and diamond bonus po. So what do you get in summary? 85% goes to the members. Ganyan ka-generation ng ating CEO. Unlimited $10 sa fast start commission. Potential to earn up to 4,095 or 229,000 monthly po yan. Up to. Potential to earn of 98,000 Infinity and of 5% on global sales in diamond bonus. So yung magkano yung membership natin, Mike? So ang membership natin is for only $20. Yan yung initial one-time setup fee or initial enrollment fee natin. So 10% ay mapupunta yan sa pag-set up ng ating system at automatically, instantly, makikredit yan sa ating mga sponsor. At yung another $10 naman, yun yung pinaka-subscription natin. Kasama na sa ating initial yung first month subscription. So the commission will be distributed to then in commission. Then also, may mga educational package tayo, travel portal package, content creator platform, and of course, yung initial enrollment natin na $20, mayroon tayong bonus na mga free landing page like Canva, Poster Wall, and other digital marketing tools na kakailanganin mo dito sa pagpo-promote ng Empower Life. So ito na talaga ang trending ngayon, ang digital marketing. So kailangan matutunan natin ng tama yung mga automation system para mas kahit tulog tayo, pwede tayong kumita. So yan po yung pwede nating makuha ng mga bonus dito sa ating Empower Life. Cool. So how to get started? Very simple as 1, 2, 3. Pre-registered po kayo sa mga nag-sponsor sa inyo. Kunin yung referral link. Make sure nakabisado nyo yung password na nilagay mo para hindi nakakalimutan. Once may account ka na, kailangan mo lang i-fund yung dashboard and mag-upgrade ka. Once na-upgrade, no, start building your team. No, share your referral link with the world. So, i-share mo lang. Then, i-familiarize nyo po yung ating dashboard, no, yung mga tools and downloads natin yan, digital marketing, crypto strategies, artificial intelligence, travel portal, no, i-discuss natin yan, may separate na tayo yung presentation. E-shops, no, mga digital e-shop. At kung may concern ka, meron tayong support dyan, no, papuntang WhatsApp. So, ito, kailangan as member, new member affiliate, meron tayong video tutorials, yung members area. So, panoorin nyo po yan para ma-familiarize nyo yung pag-access sa ating members area. Then, meron din tayong YouTube channel, lahat ng mga live calls, Zoom calls international, naka-upload po yan sa ating YouTube channel, Empower Live. Okay, so reminder lang, one account policy po tayo, one email, and one name only. Bawal ang multiple names. Once detected, automatically po yan, makuklose ng admin yan pag nakita nila. Okay? So, disclaimer, Empower Life makes no claim or guarantees of financial rewards that you or any affiliate will receive. No, each affiliate success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, motivation, and market forces. So, the above slide display only a mathematical example which are based on each affiliate success that is stepping up with the process. So in the real world, this may never happen in the same manner. So your financial risk is your initial payment for your membership. So this is non-refundable and a personal choice po natin. So pag nag-decide po, decision nyo po yan. So ang ating term and condition, yung ating membership license, when you pay your membership, of initial one-time $20, you can download your ebooks. Ito yung success guide and entrepreneurship. So very important po to para mag-success tayo sa Empower Life. Now, yung $10 na subscription natin ay kailangan po yan to keep having access to the travel portal, educational materials, and to the newly added materials since every after live education, yung mga content po, no, na idadagdag yan sa loob ng ating members area. So tulad mamayang madaling araw, 2 a.m., ang another international call natin, kung hindi ka maka-attend, ayan po ay nakalagay din yan sa members area natin. Pwede mong mapanood ulit. Okay? So you are granted the membership license to access the and make a personal use of Empower Life. So meron po tayong Empower Life Club Philippines. Join po kayo dyan, Empower Life. Empower Life Club Philippines na Facebook page at meron din tayong Telegram kasi mas malaki ang members or pwedeng maka-join sa Telegram. Ayan. So okay, so that's it, our Empower Life presentation. Empower Life, ito po ang community natin of like-minded people who dream of growth and development, opportunity for income and personal growth. Ayan. So, ito yung presentation natin ay na-recorded po ito siya. So, follow nyo lang po ako sa aking channel, Michael Manalo sa YouTube, no? Please subscribe, like, at of course, paki-comment na rin dyan para meron na rin akong engagement, no? Para ma-monetize na rin yung aking YouTube channel. Okay? So, it's time to be an active partner. Welcome to the #1 global community, Empower Life. Join us in our vision. So, don't just dream. Start working now. Pero na ako reminder, YOLO, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. So, thank you and welcome to Empower Life. So, ride the wave to success of Empower Life.